Wanna sound like a local in Spain, not a textbook? Today you learn 8 slang words natives use constantly. Stay to the end for a full recap. The word Spaniards say all the time. Guay. It means cool or great.
Qué guay.
How friends address each other.
Tío.
It means dude or guy.
¿Qué tal, tío?
When you really like something.
Mola.
It means it's cool, I like it.
Me mola tu idea.
The casual word for working.
Currar.
It means to work.
Tengo que currar mañana.
For total amazement.
Flipar.
It means to be amazed or freak out.
Flipé con la película.
A lovely thing to call someone.
Majo.
It means nice or kind.
Tu amigo es muy majo.
2 meanings, be careful.
Chulo.
It means cool or cocky.
Ese coche es muy chulo.
The all-purpose push word.
Venga.
It means come on, alright?
Venga, vamos.
Let's recap the 8 slang words from today.
Guay, tío, mola, currar, flipar, majo, chulo, venga.
Subscribe for a Spanish lesson every day. Next video, Spanish texting slang.